How to appear offline on Clash Royale. First thing you have to do is open up the game. So there is an option where you can go ahead and turn off the online status on the game, which is connected to your Supercell account. So in any Supercell game, if your Supercell account is connected, you can adjust it by changing the settings. So once you land on the home page, all you need to do here is simply go ahead and tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Then you'll see your Supercell ID. Go ahead and tap on it. This is the same for all Supercell games. So whether you're playing Brawl Stars, if you're playing Clash of Clans, Clash Royale, it doesn't matter. The process is the same. Now tap on the profile icon and then tap on the gear icon at the top left corner. And once you do that, you'll see the show online status right here. All you have to do is simply turn it off, and then now you will not appear online anymore. As you can see here, all of these people right here are appearing online, but you won't appear online anymore. So that's how you turn off the online status on Clash Royale. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.